There's more to the market than meets the eye. This is exactly where we are going to go in this video right here, right now, while Bitcoin is busy testing the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. Very interesting times that we are in. All the good news with BlackRock coming in, filing for their ETF. All while the means the SEC are attacking Coinbase. And of course, the playbook for BlackRock is to participate in the crypto environment and file for the ETF with Coinbase. So they're going to do it through Coinbase, which is already in procedure. Now, not only BlackRock is doing this, Fidelity is also doing this, and they are looking to potentially buy Grayscale, which means that there is a total of an absolute insane amount of money about to come into the space. At least 15 odd trillion. It has the potential to come into the space over the next few years, and this is going to send Bitcoin absolutely insane right now, especially considering we're only at a $1 trillion market cap, guys. BlackRock and Fidelity are two of the biggest absolute giants, not only in the US, but in the world as well. Now, of course, please remember that Tencent is probably just as big as BlackRock, but nobody knows much about Tencent, and that is the Chinese company that is pretty much doing something similar to BlackRock, but they are just inhaling companies left, right, and center too. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Tencent. If you haven't and you want me to do a video on Tencent, then make sure down below you let me know. 10 cent. Boom, right there, right now. Thanks for being here, guys. Of course, if you guys want to trade this Bitcoin chart that I'm about to show you, then make sure to smash my Bybit link down below. That will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus. And then, of course, make sure to hit my Bitflex link, the decentralized trading app, right there underneath that link there too. And if you deposit $100, you will get $50 bonus, which means that you're getting a 50% bonus, which is awesome. Thanks, Bitflex. Thanks, Bybit. Appreciate you guys very, very much so. And of course, guys, so much beautiful energy. So let's not waste a single second more, because Bitcoin currently, right now, guess where Bitcoin is? We're testing this upward horizontal, descending wedge pattern that we have really been here. Now, guys, I just need to note that an indication is, of course, that we have failed, we failed, practically failed. We didn't reach there, and currently we are there right now. So, if I may say to you boldly so, that if we do not get above this breakout level right now, which is essentially my purple box, as you can see there, which would be the breakout of, let's call it the 27,000 level. If we don't get above there and close above there tonight, I think we're going to struggle to get above this, and I think we could actually see a bounce up here and then a retest of this low back down at the 25k level, which is in line with my purple horizontal box there. So we could essentially get a move to either side. Now, I just want to let you know, there's volume coming in. The RSI is gone. The RSI is now turned again. For me, I see that this could give us, maybe a small little trade. Currently, we are holding above the 200 at the 200 level. So if we get back up there, that's a 2% trade. 5x leverage, that's 10%. 10x leverage, that's 20%. I do personally think that we are going to probably get up to about the 29k level at this point, and that is because that's where the most amount of resistance is. So I would say 29k, which would give us about an 8 to 9% rally in Bitcoin right now. If we did that, I'm going to say to you that not quite are we bullish yet. I want to say to you that we'll be bullish once we cross the peak of this downward sloping wedge. And why do I say that? Because we can easily have a breakout here, shoot for the moon, and have a crazy pump, become exhausted, and then literally just drop back down. So there is that possibility. So I don't want to disregard that. And essentially, this downward sloping wedge, the top of the wedge pattern, the target for the wedge pattern is up there at the top, right? So that would make sense that that would be the target. But if we pull back to this kind of zone right here at the 29k, if found some support, and then smashed up or consolidated here. My goodness me, guys, the bullish action will be on for Bitcoin. So currently 4 hour, we are trying to break above this 200 again. If we can get above the 200, and you see here, we pulled above the 200, but we hit this level with resistance. So if we do anything similar to that, guys, make sure to scale into your positions. Now, for me, I bought in nicely down here, right down here. So this was a good buy entry for me, as the RSI indicator was indicating upwards. So right now, I'm in a little bit of profit, but I'd like to see this 4 hour candle close above that 200, above my purple box here, essentially on the 1 hour time frame. As you guys can see here, I do have this indication, and I'd like to share with you this one indication indicator that I've recently come across. You can see here at this level, this is where supply and demand was met. The volume is coming in. We're above the 200. RSI is pulling up, or not the greatest RSI buy position. I mean, the RSI told us to essentially buy over here. So that would have got us in nice and early, but this is a great buying opportunity right here, guys. Thanks for being here with me on the video, and certainly appreciate every single last one of you beautiful souls. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the Bybit link down below so we can go and trade this together. And of course, please remember, stop loss would have been underneath this level right here, and essentially I would have actually put it underneath this level, which is the 26,000. I would say 26,000 is a great stop loss level. Thanks for watching, you beautiful souls. See you on the next one.